In this video, we will learn how to draw a heat map. Heat map is not a graph, it is not a chart. It is just formatting the data table so that you can quickly identify the pattern in that data table. As you can see in this data, this is the same data that we used to create the surface chart. So on the left we have the 7 days, Monday, Tuesday, so on till Sunday, and on top we have intervals of 2 hours for that particular day, and this data is giving me the number of customers visiting our website in that 2-hour interval. So on a Monday between 12 am to 2 am I get 494 customers on my website. So each cell is representing the number of customers visiting on that particular day in a 2-hour interval on our website. So if I just give you this table without any formatting, it will be difficult to find out at which point of time in the whole week you are getting more number of customers and which part of the week there are fewer customers on our website. This is where the heat map will help us. Heat map will highlight different value ranges with different colors. For example, you can see a spectrum here. The lowest values in this table are in green color, dark green. Slowly the darkness is decreasing and you see larger values of colors. Then it becomes yellow where you have medium values. Then it becomes slowly to red where you have the highest value. So this spectrum is covering largest to smallest value, and it is easy to identify that you are getting most number of customers on a Sunday or a Saturday in the 10 am to 2 pm time span, and you are getting minimum customers on a Monday or a Tuesday at the night time, that is 10 pm to 4 am. So let us learn how to create this heat map. So here is that data with no formatting. We will select the cells which contain the numbers. We will go to home and this conditional formatting option. Here you can see we have a number of options. To draw a heat map, we will use the color scales option. Here we can choose different types of color scales. You can hover over these options to select the color scale or the spectrum of colors that you want. I have selected this second one. You can also customize these colors by going to the more rules option inside this conditional formatting. You can click on this to select the starting color and the ending color and give the spectrum there. To know more about what all formatting options we have in Excel, you can refer our another course, the Excel Masterclass course, which is a 4-hour course, and it will tell you all the formatting techniques that you can use in Microsoft Excel. Also, if you just want to keep the colors and not show this numerical value in individual cells, you can remove these numerical values by selecting this data, right click on it, go to format cells. Here we will give a custom formatting to this, and the formatting is semicolon, semicolon, semicolon. This means that whatever number is here should be hidden. Click on OK. All those numbers are hidden. You just have a heat map telling you where the values are large and where they are small. So as you can see, this chart is also giving us all the information that a surface chart gives. So the heat map is a very good substitute for surface charts. Whenever you want to display the values or the pattern in your data table, instead of drawing a surface chart, it is always preferable to use a heat map.